So hey Floss Fam, it's your girl Marcy J, and today I'm back with another video. If it's your first time here, then welcome, and if it's not, then welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this fabulous crisscross clip-in natural protective hairstyle. So if you guys would like to see more, then make sure to continue watching. So Floss Fam, we're back with another tutorial. Today we'll be doing a hair tutorial. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm kind of nervous because I'm trying a different hairstyle today that I've never done before. So we're just gonna see if we can achieve this hairstyle together. So this is the hairstyle that I'll be demonstrating today, and let's just pray for the best. So I'm basically doing like a half up twist rubber band look in the front and clip-ins in the back. And the clip-ins that I'll be using today, I actually purchased from Amazon, and it's by Saga Queen. So this is the packaging. It's pretty fly. It's giving real romantic with the red satin and silk bag. So, and these are the clip-ins. This is actually, I believe I got a 20-inch. And for some reason, this little one pack don't look like it's gonna fill the back of my head, but I'm gonna see what I could do, cause I don't know. Like, I was reading the reviews and it was saying that, you know, it was enough to fill the back of my hair, but I don't know. This is looking a little skimp. But we're gonna see how this turns out, y'all. And please don't come for how I look. I kind of pre-sectioned my hair off camera, so I didn't want to come on here and like braid the back, because that's a lot. So I braided the back of my hair where I'll be placing my clip-ins off camera. So I'm actually going to show you guys what the back of my hair looks like right now. This is what the back looks like. I just got 4 braids. They don't got to be neat. We just need the braids as a foundation for the clips. So guys, this is what the hair looks like. It's giving real natural because this is a natural style. I don't know. I'm on my natural journey, y'all. I told you I feel like the wigs is messing with my edges, and we don't got time for that. So I'm giving my hair a very much needed break. I don't know. I hope this is enough to fill up the back of my head, but we gonna see. First things first, I'm gonna tuck away my ends of my braids. So I'm gonna use a bobby pin to pin it up. I'm gonna just pin it like this. So guys, I decided to speed up the process on me actually applying the clip-ins to my braids, because I feel as though it's pretty self-explanatory. All you have to do is clip the extensions directly to your braids. I'm starting to feel like I should have left some of my natural hair out rather than braid it, but I'm not gonna give up. So here I'm just applying my last piece directly onto the part. So this is what it's looking like so far, y'all. I don't know, maybe when I wet it and I put some product in it, it'll look a lot much better, because right now it's not giving me what I want. Hey y'all, so now it's time to do the rubber band portion of this video. So just so y'all know, I pre-stretched my hair off video, and I didn't use heat. I actually just braided my hair, and this is the aftermath. So I want to leave the sides out. So I'm gonna leave these out, and I think I'm gonna put a clip-in, like a clip-in right here. To help get my parts on point, I'm gonna be using Shine and Jam. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this product, and I'm gonna place it directly on my part like that, like so. Go through it. So here I'm just clipping apart my hair to get ready to create all the necessary parting for the rubber bands. So right here, I'm just sectioning a portion of my natural hair as leave out so that that top clip-in extension track does not show. So you want to make sure that you take a portion of your natural hair as a form of leave out so it can camouflage that track. So guys, also keep in mind that the easiest way to part your hair for this style is to create parts vertically first and then go back in and then create those horizontal parts. It'll make the process a lot easier. Don't try to go in and create square on top of square on top of square. Try to create vertical parts first and separate each part and then go back in and then create horizontal parts. So I also want to note that I actually applied a little bit of oil to my rubber bands, and this just helps to ensure that the rubber bands do not snag on my hair, because this is a protective style, so we definitely don't want to lose hair in the process. So that is a trick. Also, for each square parting, in order to make sure that that hair is sleek, in preparation for the rubber band, you want to take your Shine and Jam gel and you want to coat it evenly around the perimeter of the square parting, and then you just want to grab a handful of the hair in the part and then smooth it out with the tip of your fingers. So I also want to mention that it's best to use a metal tail rat tail comb, because that'll definitely aid in ensuring that you get straight and neat parting. So this is where I realized I kind of messed up. So I'm starting to realize that I did this all wrong, because I was supposed to connect these as I was going, and I didn't. So rather than me taking out the rubber bands and redoing the crisscross pattern, I just decided to double up on the rubber bands. I'm gonna just have to double up on the rubber bands. This is not something that I wanted to do, but I didn't work this hard on these parts, so I have to go and take it down. So I think I'm gonna do it like 3 times, so it's not that tight. And here we go. You just want to twist, twist, twist like this. Pull me. I'm only doing this 3 times because I don't want too much tension. So keep in mind that I'm taking product and I'm adding it to like the loose hair that I'm gonna connect. So I'm applying it so it could be a lot more sleeker. And then I'm twisting it, twisting it, twisting it. So here I'm just creating additional parting for my straight back connected rubber bands. So I left some hair out in the front for my baby hairs, and this is of course optional. As y'all know me, I can't do nothing without my baby hairs. So, because what's a style? What is a style without baby hairs? What's a style without baby hairs? There is no style. So today we not forgetting, make sure to follow me on Instagram so you can stay up to date with my life and what I'm doing. Your girl loves to travel, and my birthday's coming up soon, so I will be going on a couple trips this summer. I am a July baby, so if you're a Cancer, comment down below. Cancer gang, because our birthdays is coming up. And let me know what you guys are doing for your birthdays. So this part is pretty repetitive. I moved over to the next side. So now I'm just creating the same design as I did on the previous side. I really hope this comes out cute, y'all, because I'm going on a date tomorrow. So that's another reason why I'm doing my hair, because I want to look cute. With the twisties. So this is what we are looking like so far. Maybe I'm gonna add some clip-ins on this side. So here I'm just going in the front and adding additional clip-ins just to give the front a little bit more fullness. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to go and wet my hair. Then we're about to add some products, get these curls popping and defined, fleek these baby hairs, and yes, honey, we got us a slay. So guys, I got some water, but let's see what this hair does. So I'm just saturating my hair and the extensions with water. So I'm gonna be using Velada Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. And this helps to create soft wraps, defines curls, and tames frizz. And this is for all hair types. So, put this all over the hair. So to curl my natural hair and to get it to blend in with the clip-ins, I'm using the Wetline Extreme Gel. Alright, y'all, so this is what my hair is giving right now. I want to define the curls a little bit more, so I'm going to be going in with the Coconut Curling Cream by Cantu. Because it's starting to come together, but I just want a little bit more curl, you know. I'm starting to see how this is looking. And guys, I know this look white, but it's gonna dry. It's not gonna dry like this. It's gonna dry. Okay. Yeah, these clip-ins are way better now that it's tamed. So I'm so happy because I won't have to. Now I don't have to take out my hair, my braids, because I feel like it's giving what it needs to give. And when I fleek my face, it's over. Now I'm gonna do my edges. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna just use some edge control and my RQLN edge control as per usual. I'm gonna take my edge brush. And I'll just do my sideburns. By tomorrow, this shall dry a little bit. It's gonna dry. I mean, I say by tomorrow. I'm about to sit in front of my fan and let this dry. And we are good to go. I'm actually digging it. I think this came out so cute. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of my look. I think this look is given. I was real scared at first. I didn't really know where this style was going, but I think I fleeked it. I think I killed it. And with the makeup slay, it's gonna be official. As per usual, thank you for tuning into today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. Everything will be left down in the description below as far as the products that I use. We got these clip-ins and so forth. And as always, it was my pleasure. And I can't wait to see you guys in next week's tutorial. Ciao. Mwah.